right, so when you want to buy VybeScript, the first thing that you need to decide is if you want to get the lifetime deal or if you want to get the yearly pass. Right now, we're starting with super cheap prices just to get traction and see how people react to our app. So right after you purchase, you will get a license number that you will put right here. Right after that, you click on activate and you will be taken to the onboarding process. So the first thing that you need to do is go to start setup. You need to grant permissions for microphone use. So you click on allow, okay, continue, enable pasting, because this way in the settings, just enable and you will be prompted to put your computer password. Okay, in this case, a quick checkup on your computer so you have an idea of how fast the transcriptions will be, and then you can go to continue. You're good to go. Start transcribing. Now, this is how the app looks. To use it, you just need to minimize it. Let me close this. So if you have, let's say, this text pad, you just, in my case, I already have the key option pre-selected as my hotkey for whenever I want to talk. So I just press, hey, this is Alfredo, and I'm transcribing using VybeScript. I release the key. It will just transcribe whatever you just said, and here it is, what I just dictated. Now, let's say that you want to change the language. Here on the first screen, you can go from English to Spanish. And quick tip, if you want to translate whatever you're saying, you can select the actual language that you want to translate to, and if you select Spanish and you speak in English, everything will be translated to Spanish. Same thing happens if you have English selected and you speak Spanish, everything will be translated and transcribed in English, which is, I think, very, very helpful. So now let's say you want to change the hotkey that you're using. So you can go right here on the top on the gear icon, and right here, as soon as you open the settings, you can select the whatever key that you want to use. You either can select here and you just press whatever key that you want, let's say space or let's say option, and it will be set here. Now let's say that you want to do like a combination, maybe, I don't know, Shift Z. You can, this is for toggle recording, which is when you're expecting to talk for a little bit longer, you can just press that combination and it will just record. You don't need to hold the keys. Now, if you just want to do like a quick brain dump and it's just a matter of saying a few words, you can just press the hotkey. In my case, it's option. You describe whatever you want, and as soon as you finish, you release the key. Everything gets transcribed, polished, and pasted on whatever chat box or any app that you're using. So if you have any other questions, just let me know, and I'm more than happy to help in any issues or questions that you may have.